Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change your Hotmail backup email step by step. This is super important if you've lost access to your old recovery email or just want to boost your account security. By the end of this video, you'll know how to update your backup email safely and correctly, so stay tuned till the end. It only takes a few minutes but can save you from major headaches later. First, let's talk about why updating your backup email matters. Your backup email is what Microsoft uses to verify your identity, reset passwords, and send security alerts. If that email is outdated or inaccessible, you could lose your account permanently in case of a hack or forgotten password. So let's fix that right now. Start by logging in to your Hotmail or Outlook account. Head to the Outlook login page. You can Google Outlook login if needed. Click Sign In, then enter your Hotmail address and password. If you have two-step verification enabled, you might be asked for a code. Just complete that step to move on. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Outlook homepage. Now, click your profile picture or initials in the top right corner and select My Microsoft Account. This will open your main Microsoft account dashboard. This is where all your personal and security settings live. Now comes the important part, updating your backup email. On the dashboard, go to the Your Info tab, scroll down and click Edit Account Info. Here, you'll see options to manage your sign-in and recovery details. Click Add Email, then select Add an existing email address as a Microsoft account alias. Type in your new, secure, and regularly used email address and hit Add. Microsoft will send a verification link to that new address. Just open your inbox, click the link, and you're all set. Your backup email is now successfully updated. And that's it. You've just updated your Hotmail backup email in under 2 minutes. Keeping your recovery info up to date is one of the easiest ways to keep your account safe and accessible. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know if you want more quick tech how-tos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.